Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make dazzling cotton candy glitter bombs. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need some fluffy cotton candy, about 1 large tub, and a few containers of edible glitter in various colors. Also, have a small, clean bowl ready for mixing. Making these is a fun and easy project that adds a magical touch to any drink. Now, let's start shaping. Gently pull off a small, fluffy piece of cotton candy, roughly 2 inches in diameter. Carefully flatten this piece into a thin disc, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Next, take about 1/2 teaspoon of your chosen edible glitter and place it right in the center of your flattened cotton candy disc. This is where the magic begins. It's time to seal in that sparkle. Carefully bring the edges of the cotton candy disc together, folding them over the glitter in the center. Gently pinch and roll the cotton candy into a tight, compact ball about 1 inch in diameter. Make sure there are no open seams or gaps where the glitter could escape before its grand reveal. You want a perfectly sealed little package of shimmer. Now for the best part, using your glitter bombs. Simply drop one of your beautifully crafted bombs into a clear glass filled with your favorite sparkling beverage, like soda or champagne. Watch in awe as the cotton candy quickly dissolves, releasing a spectacular burst of shimmering edible glitter. It's a delightful and sweet surprise that will impress everyone.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.